licking my pants. This is one of the funniest things in the world. He has this thing whenever there's any like soft material, he'll knead it and then he'll lick it. He's just a weird kitty. You done? Yeah, he had little kitten moments. It's so cute. But that's what he does, and now I gotta go stop him from eating my headphones.